You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase from Spanish, and it's also the name of a city in Texas, United States. So let's learn how it's pronounced normally in Spanish, okay? Spanish is El Paso, all right, meaning the step or the passage. El Paso, El Paso. Now, the city in Texas is most often pronounced as El Paso. El Paso. It should be El Paso, but many pronounce it as El Paso. So it's up to you. Either you'll use the local American pronunciation El Paso or the more Spanish sounding one, El Paso. How do you pronounce yourself? Let us know in the comments. It'd be interesting to learn. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.